Matt Day here with Parsons Graham and Day. I've had a situation come up and I wanted to talk about it because I think it's useful information for individuals who are going through custody cases, whether it's a paternity case or divorce case. Guardian ad litems and how we deal with them. There are a few things that you should not do if you have a guardian ad litem in your case. And I want to talk about those things because, like I said, I had a situation come up. Here we are. Number one is don't lie. Do not do it. Do not lie to a guardian ad litem. A, it defeats the purpose. The purpose of guardian ad litem is to advocate on your child's best interest. And if you're lying to them, providing them misinformation or wrong information, knowingly providing them that information, lying, right? It defeats the purpose of them being able to advocate on the child's best interest. B, most likely you're going to get caught in your lie and it will destroy your credibility on everything else you've said, regardless of whether or not what you said is true. Okay? Do not lie to your guardian ad litem. It should be simple. You should know it. It's common sense. But yet, here I am. Okay? Number two, own your bad facts. The guardian ad litem is going to find out about the bad facts. Own your bad facts. Do not downplay the bad facts. If the bad fact's a bad fact, you state the bad fact, why the bad fact occurred in your opinion, how you've changed to make sure that the bad fact doesn't reoccur, but don't minimize your conduct. Minimization is just another form of lying, essentially, but it's a lesser form of lying, and so we call it minimizing. Don't minimize, don't downplay, just state what the fact is, and if it is a bad fact, how you have corrected it or fixed it or changed it, and it won't happen again. Number three, do not knowingly omit information from the guardian ad litem. Omission, just another form of lying, right? Somewhat of a lesser form of lying, depending on what the omission is, but we don't do it, okay? Again, the guardian ad litem is going to find out about the bad fact. Is going to find out about the fact that you're not telling him or her about. It's going to find out. And then the question is going to be, why didn't you tell me? We had a conversation. We had an interview. We were talking about your kid and the best interest, and you left out this giant pink elephant, right? Why didn't you mention it? Don't omit, okay? Don't do these things. It doesn't benefit your case. You're going to get caught. It doesn't help your children's best interest. When you're dealing with a guardian ad litem, be open, be honest. The worst thing that can happen, right? The worst thing that can happen to you, and I've had this happen, and I've read about it in transcripts on cases that I've worked on the appeal after the trial was over, is you don't provide your expert with all of the facts so that he or she can take those facts into consideration and then provide a well-rounded, factually based opinion to the court. What happens is you leave off some facts, you lie about some facts, your expert then gets confronted with those facts on the witness stand and goes, oh my gosh, I didn't know that. And they change their opinion right there on the stand. Again, a guardian ad litem is just a court expert. They tend to be attorneys, okay? And they're investigating the best interest of your children. So you've got your GAL, your court expert, on the stand, and suddenly they've been confronted with facts that they didn't know about, right? Or that you lied about, and they change their opinion. Or they find out about them beforehand. They never give you the good opinion because they think you're just a liar. Don't do those things, okay? For more information, give us a call at 918-307-1529, or you can visit us on the website, www.pdtulsalaw.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help.